everybody, welcome back to my channel. No craft project today. This is mainly an inspiration video for those of you that have a space like I do. It's been on your to-do list for a while, but you just have not taken the time to get it organized. And that space for me is my upstairs linen closet. About 10 years ago, I redid that linen closet, bought baskets and organized it in a way that suited our needs, and it worked fine for a few years. But since then, we've become empty nesters. You know, we just don't have house guests like we used to, ball teams, slumber parties, all that kind of stuff. And the needs of our family regarding linens has just changed. And I watched a video a couple years ago about a girl that was explaining the need of what you need versus what you're keeping, and as far as bed sheets on your extra beds. We have a house guest 1 or 2 times a year. Why do you need all these extra sets of sheets for your bed? Now, the one you actually sleep in, I can see having an extra set, which, you know, even that normally you wash and put it back on the bed the same day anyway, but it is nice to have an emergency set of sheets for whatever reason. I've mentioned before on this channel, my husband's going to be retiring in the next few years. Really plan to downsize in a few years. I've got to start working on these closets and storage areas that I have now. I'm going to take you up to my linen closet, show you what I did 10 years ago and what it looks like now. Here we are upstairs. This is a double door linen closet. I should be embarrassed to show you this, but this will just prove how bad I need to do this video, and it's making me accountable. All right, it's got 3 shelves up here and then a big area down here at the bottom. And let me explain to you, this is what I did 10 years ago. This top shelf was basically blankets and pillows, and now it's just kind of a hodgepodge of different things. I've gotten rid of some things, believe it or not. This is an old bedspread. Why I'm keeping that, I have no idea. The next shelf was my sheet organization. I actually had baskets labeled. This was pillowcases. This one was twin sheets, queen sheets. This one was various linens. And then I had one that was tablecloths and valances. Who changes out their valances? Who knows why I did that? Now, this third shelf is, this whole section right here is king sheets. I mean, how many sets of king sheets do I need? I just bought 2 new sets from Costco, and I'm seriously thinking I'm going to get rid of every one of these. This right here is Halloween costumes from my children's past, and they are almost 30 years old. It's time to retire those in the trash. Now down here is, I guess you would call this my gift wrap station, if you will. I have big containers here. This is birthday bags, and this is like baby and wedding bags. You know, bags are $1 each, and I always know in advance when I have a gift to give. Why am I hanging on to 50 birthday bags and probably 50 baby bags? I'm going to pick out a few little generic bags, discard the rest. This box right here is just Christmas gift wrap. I'll probably save this box just because it's nice and tall, and it does keep all my roll wrap in order. I do have in the back in there, I do have one of those nice zipper roll wrap organizers, but I really don't like it. This little box right here has worked out great, but I'm going to set it up a little different. This is a before, and maybe in an hour or so you will see the after. It took about 20 years to fill this closet up and about 10 minutes to empty it. And my next job is to wipe down the shelves and then vacuum this bottom area. And after that, I'll start going through this mound of stuff, questioning, why am I keeping it? Is it really something I need to keep? Just like this right here, shoebox. You can tell my children were a child of the 90s. That's probably 2,000 Kool-Aid points from the wacky warehouse that doesn't even exist anymore. So just funny stuff like that. Okay, y'all, after a couple hours and a little sweat, I have a new refreshed linen closet. I'm going to turn around and show you how much better it looks. All right, ta-da! I actually saved a few things more than I'd originally had planned. and I'll explain that to you in just a minute. The top shelf here is just my seasonal pillows. I didn't really get rid of any of those. I did save 2 bed pillows and I did save 3 blankets. I had originally put just about everything in the throw out pile, and my husband reminded me about us going to need extra linens when we get ready to buy our camper. We're upgrading our camper to a travel trailer and we won't have to pack things up and just leave things in the camper. So I did go ahead and save 1 set of twin and 1 set of queen, because we're not sure what size beds we'll end up having. But I just used my original baskets, and the labeling the baskets worked out fine. I just printed it on cardstock and used some double-sided tape, but I saved about 5 or 6 pillowcases. I got 1 set of each twin and queen. This is a basket for table linens, and then here's my second set of king sheets. This is my second new set from Costco. If you are a member of Costco and haven't bought those $18, they're like Christina sheets or something like that, they're wonderful. So I have 1 on my bed, and here is my extra set. That's all I'll ever need. Down here on my 3rd shelf, this is my gift wrap. I just saved a few more bags than I wanted, but at least they're all nice and organized. I got a basket for birthday, or just general like solid color bags and things. A basket for baby and wedding, a bow basket, and here's an empty basket. I may find something I need to organize. But down here, I did not throw away any of my Christmas bags, but I threw away a bunch of other types of bags because we go through a bunch of Christmas bags at Christmas. So I ended up buying 2 99-cent milk crates at the Goodwill a couple weeks ago in preparation for this, and so these are super sturdy and they're wonderful for storage. So I have all size bags. I probably have 100 bags there, but that's what it takes by the time our Christmas gets over. I have a box here of just boxes. You know, all through the year you need little boxes for gifts and whatnot, so I do have a little place now specifically for boxes. This little storage drawer right here, this is what I put some of the kids' Christmas hats in and some of their stockings and things that was the last to get packed with the Christmas decor. So it's good just to have a little extra drawer there. And here's just some odds and ends. That is that gift wrap organizer I told you I had in the back. You know, as long as I still have this closet, that's great, but eventually I will downsize to that gift wrap organizer. And as far as this little box here, this box has just worked great. Why fix it if it didn't broke? So I love the use of that box housing all of my roll wrap. It stays really good. So much nicer when I open up the door and get ready to put something away. And just want you to know that, you know, I know y'all see me haul stuff in here every month, but I want you to know this bucket here, it's already full. That is my Goodwill bucket that I leave there full time. Anytime I come across anything around the house, clothes especially up here, I throw it in my Goodwill bucket. And when that Goodwill bucket gets full, I put it in my car and take it with me. So I'm constantly throwing and donating stuff away. So I hope this inspirational video will motivate you to take a couple hours of your day and tackle that area in your house that's just been driving you crazy. I'm so glad to get this linen closet organized and unloaded, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.